Maybe I'm just a nerd, but that was super cool to watch in slow-mo. This is the 1983 Corvette demolition car from Kidco. As you can see, it's the Demolition Cars series trademarked and Burnin key cars. This is actually a really good example. I didn't know they existed until recently. Somebody shipped a D-18 hood, as seen in this video, along with some US 1 trucking stuff I purchased. So I tracked down a body and a key, and here we go. A good example. If you had one of these when you're a teenager, it's a great opportunity to own this one. I'm going to list it on eBay, and the link's in my profile comments below. Thanks for watching, and check out our website at tycous1trucking.com if you enjoyed this video for slot car nation.